Looking at the concept of the basics of a share market, and after the covering the basics of a share market, we have come into the point that how to invest. We have seen the by taking an example that there are two business A and B, that two business are listed on a market. Now I have taken a case that suppose the in a business B, so there are 1,000 investor, okay, 1,000 investor on B. Okay. So when the business B is listed on a market, the company profit of the company is 1 crore. Okay. So the share share value is what? Share value is given by 10,000. So after one financial year, okay, increase by product 5x. So there are three scenario will happen. Three scenario will be happen in this case. Okay. So first is, if the company will try to, if company is going to expand, so want to expand, so what will do? So for expansion, there will obviously you need money to expand your business. So they search a new investor, okay, or either they go to old investor, okay, or that case we'll discuss later. So what we'll do, because of the old investor, company has increased, company listed on the market. Now the price value of a company is increased by 5x. So what we'll do, so the financial advisor of a company will go to the investor, say, so let you take 1% as a dividend and 4% is reinvest on our company. Reinvest on our company. So if this scenario happen, so there will no record this investor. Okay, they will not go investor. Either after seeing the result of this business big company, new investor is eagerly invest in this company B. Okay, so when this company is B, so there is old investor and new investor. Our company is ready to raise in a fund from this company, from this investor. So after that, there will be company will be expand. Now third scenario, that they reinvest on this company. So what will we do? What will be happen in this scenario, that suppose if they are individually expand, if this scenario is happen, this scenario will not happen. If this scenario happen, this scenario will not happen. If this scenario, both scenario happen, this third case will occur. Provide your third case occur. So the expansion rate will be 10x. So that is the case scenario happen. So when now we see the scenario, let's come into the topic. Okay. So if they are the old investor take as a 1% as a dividend, then now share value is increased by 1%, that is 11,000. So 11,000, that means the share value increased by 1%. Now when the company is listed, there is a one factor, that is scaling factor, which will determine the share of company is loss or facing loss, profit or neutral. So let's look at the topic. After that, you will able to understand how to reinvest on this company. So I think you have understood it. I am erasing it. So what is scaling factor? Scaling or factor. Scaling factor or price ratio. So price ratio is nothing but price ratio is determined by R. Suppose R. Okay, R equal to profit by selling. Okay. So suppose if they when the company is listed or private limited, after the listed on a market, that will be the public. Okay. When the company is not listed, when the company is not listed on a market, okay, that is private limited, when a company is listed on a market, that is public limited, that will be public, okay. So let's the value, if the price value of this company, that initially they will determine that R equal to say 2 or 5, anything that you want. So basically price ratio is price value or scaling factor is determined that when facing a loss, suppose the initially 5 is the for 5 that you have to that taken as 1 or 2, usual case is 1 or 2 is taken, or other case the 5, 10 and 11 that may be taken, that is depend on your choice. So suppose R equal to 2, that is price profit by selling is 2. Now if the case 3 case happen in this case, so if price scaling factor is less than 2, so company is facing loss, if price value is equal to 2, company is neutral, So third, if price value greater than 2, company is gaining profit, okay, company is gaining profit, okay. If this price value is, that is 50-50 loss, that is 100, there is no loss, there is no profit. So when this they now time to buy a share, when company is facing a loss, so there is 100% chance of 100% of chance to back at the original position, okay. So at that time, when you if you buy a share, when the company is neutral, the suppose share value is, I am taking as 11,000, okay. When a company is facing loss, share value is decreased by 5 6 5 6 5 5 50,000. So after the one financial year, that will increase by 10x, okay. So company will have to pass out through this two steps. Then when the company facing loss, they have to recover that, come into neutral. When you come into neutral, that is increased by 2x. And the profit loss, they will gain a profit greater than 2, they will increase by 10. That is the time you have to invest, or either if you invest in this case, that is the scenario happen that it will gain by 10%. If you buy this at this case 1, okay, case 1 2 3. So if you buy on this time, then you will get maximum profit, you will get by this time, you will get minimum profit. When this company is facing at that point, okay, when company is at that point, there are other scenario that happen in this case. So look at the case. So share value, if you invest in, why the share market is risky, let's come into that one. Why risk? Where is the risk, and how to where is risk in share market? So we have seen the scenario 1 2, that is the cycle happen in this way, okay, and this way. So that is the scenario. This, when look at the curve, look at the cycle, 3 case happen. Why the share market is risky? Risk means risk है तो इसके. When company at the point 3, okay, if suppose if there is a restriction, on a case 3, So that may be that restriction, political 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 model, or some individual, or anything at the time that share value company, the profit of the company is going to be stagnant at that point. Okay, what will the scenario? So after that, your I am taking, we'll see the three scenario that then you will able to understand. After that, it will revert into the cycle one. When suppose you have invested on 10, then it is there decreased by -5. Okay, -50. So when you buy a share in a position 2, that share is has gone in at 0.1 is 5%. That is the loss. So that is the loss. This loss is happen. This loss is happen in a short time. Short time. If it is a long time, then cycle will be revert. So that is stance. Suppose when there are other case I am taking, this is the restriction. 2. When company at that point, company has taken new initiative to expand their business. Okay, expand their business. So the project that have taken by the company is fail. So the company will facing the loss. So their share value will be decreased, and the market you lost the money. After that, that will be the process that you have to understand. I have think you will when to invest and how to invest, why the share market is risky and where is the risk. I have tried to analyze it, that will give you rough idea of the share market. If you get maximum minimum value of some value of my channel, do like, share, subscribe and follow. Now thank you, we'll meet another interesting video.